In this video, I'll show you how to fix the 503 service unavailable error. First, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings, then click Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Next, open third-party cookies, then scroll down and click See All Site Data and Permissions. Find the website that's showing the 503 error. If you don't see it in the list, use the search bar to locate it. Once you find it, click the trash icon next to the website and confirm by clicking Delete. This clears the site's stored cookies and data, which can sometimes resolve the issue. After that, click Extensions from the left-hand menu. Disable all of your Chrome extensions by toggling each one off. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with websites and cause loading errors. Once you've disabled the extensions, restart Google Chrome and try opening the website again. In many cases, this will resolve the 503 service unavailable error. If the error still appears, it's likely a problem with the website's server rather than your device. In that case, you'll need to wait for the website owner to fix the issue and try again later. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.